Bahala kayo dyan, ha? Hindi ko na sa akong pag-iisip yan. Hindi mo nakaintindihan na malamang. So, any locals around? Australian? I cannot see. Niyata kasi ilaw na to, parang taka, parang may paliga eh. Patay mo nga yan!
Ayun, sa likod na.
Diba? Ang may alien na darating, gago. Saan masakit sa mata, hindi ko kayo nakita. Ayan, asan? Where's my Australian friends? Yan. Yan, nakikita mo. Hello! So I'm assuming you're all, di ba? You're all married or dating a Filipino woman. Married? Who's married? Clap your hands. With an Australian guy, of course. Or woman, I don't know. Mali ko, lalaki kayo. Dito kayo nakatambil, ha? Anyway, thank you so much. On behalf of my nation, the Philippines, thank you for saving another Filipino from the crutches of poverty. I'm sure, nakaluwag-luwag kayo dahil. Pati ko nakaluwag-luwag na rin. Lalaki ng ari ng mga yan. Tawan-tawa kayo, ano? I'm pretty sure, siguro mga 80% dito nakatikim na ng Australiano. Baka nga may kangaroo pa eh. I'm speaking English. Sorry, you have to bear with me. I cannot speak English the whole show because it's a Filipino show. What the fuck? For a change, you adjust. Because we Filipinos are very well known to be adaptable. Wherever we go, we adapt quickly. Give us a week, a month, a year, meron may accent. Hi, mate. Good day, mate. Good day, puday. Wala to. May nakanta ng stretches na nalulili. Di ba? Good day, mate. Yan, yung pa-Pilipino kahit sa pumunta, ang bilis matutunan ng ano. Isa sa magandang talagang gusto-gusto kong trato ng Pilipino. Kahit sa puntang bansa. Kasi, because I've been around, wow. I've been blessed to be, this kind of work where I travel a lot and give, like this, perform concerts, tours to our kababayans. So I know that we are very adaptable. But you guys, since you're here in a Filipino concert, you adjust. If you see them laughing, just laugh along so you're not look stupid. Mahirap din kasi i-interpret ng asawa o ng jowa, di ba? Tsaka nakakatuwa. A lot of Filipinos around, and I'm pretty sure once in a while lang ito mangyari. Na magkita-kita kayo ngayon. Tama ba?
Yes.
Bihira yan, di ba? Hindi naman kayo laging, unless you're talaga very knit kind of friends, yung talaga close-knit, di ba? But ito, pag nakita mo ngayon, mga tao, ay, sino ba yun? May pinabago. Ay, wala na, bago na yung asawa. Mapalakpak yung mga nakaka-relate. Kasi bakla nakaahon sa kahirapan. Ganyan yung mga chika. Kaya nakakatuwa pag kikita-kita, nakakapag-chismisan. Eh, normal sa ating mga Pilipino mag-chismisan. Anyway, babalik tayo sa may mga asawang afam. Afampangan, charos. No, afam, foreigner, Australian. I know for a fact, that let's be general, Caucasian people, Middle Eastern, ganyan, they have very big heart. Are. So, malaki ari ng mga yan, I should know because, this is my third straight show. Gabi-gabi ako nag-show na may sakit. Okay lang naman, don't worry about me. Kaya ko to. Lahat na ng drugs, ininom ko. Para lang di matuloy. Pero nakakatuwa dahil mabait talaga si Lord. At naniniwala ko sa dasal. Dahil meron akong boses. Anyway, balik tayo third show, I always tell this story because it's true. You know, my last serious relationship, really serious, yun sabihin, hindi lang dating, not only dating, not ito talaga committed relationship, live-in. Nag-live-in ko sa Pilipinas. He's an Australian. He was an Australian 15 years ago from Brisbane. Yeah. Oh my God, shit. He's the last. I miss when he goes down under. But right now, he's 6 feet under. Gago siya. Ako naglagay. Parang tago, bumalik ng... Pag ano kasi, demonyo siya. Nung last balik niya sa Pilipinas, mag-dinext lang ako, putang inang yan. Totoo, mamatay! Dinext lang ako, he broke up with me through text. 15 years ago na, move na tayo, di ba? That's true, I swear to God. He broke up with me via text because he went back to his ex. Who's a fucking Australian also. May galit. No, I don't have any grudges for you with you guys. So, I'm just saying na naka-experience na ako ng yun yung connect nun eh. Malalaki nga, oo malalaki, pero nalambot, no? Tama ba ako? Hindi. Kuya, okay na ba? Hindi ka todo ng Pilipino, kahit kasing liit na ng pacifier, tangin ng tigas. Oh, niya kuya? Oh, totoo naman ah. Buko, biyakin mo, magkut-kut ka pa. Iba ka Pilipino. At kung meron kang problema sa size, sa pacifier, kasi hindi lang, may kung kayo lalaki, maliit ang ari mo, okay lang yan. Pag madaldal yung asawa mo, nugget, punyata patulugin mo. Maraming paraan. Pag napundi yung bumbila, tuntungan mo. Pero nakatawa yung mga lalaki talaga, oh, kami yan! Kung hindi rin, marami din naman medyo gifted. But anyways, it's nice to be back here sa Sydney. I don't know, I'm not sure how many times I've been here. I don't know, maybe 4 times or 5 times. Who has seen my last show here? Can you clap your hands? 7? At least dumadami na pala yung kakulto ko. No? Nag-recruit kayo. Oh, thank you for coming. And every time I go again to the same place, I make it a point na I don't do the same songs ever. So of course, para iba naman, kasi ginawa na naman niya. Although may mga nasa kontrata ko po, may isa akong gagawin na nasa kontrata ko, pag hindi ko ginawa, hindi ako mabayaran ng 2.5. Mamaya yun. Now, it's time for some singing, okay? Okay lang ba? Let's all reminisce. Who doesn't want to reminisce? And I think this duo, band ba sila? This duo now, naanalang ko lang sa Melbourne, kasi sa Adelaide, sabi nila, hindi raw Australian. Pagdating ko sa Melbourne, sabi nila Australian. Air Supply. Yeah! Diba there's something about the songs of Air Supply that bring back memories, right? I don't know, they're very classic, timeless. Even the millennials nowadays, they still get it. And a lot of their songs are being revived, right? So it's going to be a medley until 5:30. Are you prepared? You have stretchers with you, folding beds, ganun. sagot ako. Medley po ito ng hits, some of the hits of Air Supply. And every song has a very beautiful meaning. The first song, medley, para lang may kwento. The first song, para sa mga bagong in love. Who are the people in your neighborhood? Hindi natin nakalimutan ang English ko. Asan yung tubig kanal? Yung tubig kanal, no? Malakas talaga ang biasis, eh. Charot na. Hindi. First song, yung mga newly in love, who just recently found love. Come on, palakpak, applause. Come on. Who newly found love, clap your hands. Ha? Parang konti lang? Mas marami pang bitter? Ang sarap ng gin bula. Charot lang. Yung umino. Okay. So, if you know the song, feel free to sing along with me. If you're affected of a song, much more so. Okay? Okay? May mga single ba dito? Single? Hindi bilak! Ano yung bilak? Lalaki! Ha? May single ba dito? Sino finifinger mo? Tanga, tinuturo. Finger, tanga ka. Oo, yan. Single. Ayoko ng Pilipino. Ako lang mag-aahon dyan sa kahirapan. Tarantado. Gagamitin lang ako niya. Sumakatingin ng artista. Charot. Hindi nga, wala kang single. Laki kinala mga napagkas lagi na foreigner eh. Gets niyo ba yun? Kasi pag Pilipino, magiging pag dominante ka, if you're very strong personality, hindi mo mamipigilang maging dominante because that's your personality. So, kailangan mas malakas yung, yun na nga, pakialam niyo ba? Para sa tao, saan nasabihin ko? Naghahanap ng shota. Kasi mag-stay ako dito ng 2 days. Tsaka 40 ako ngayon, di ba? I just recently, extended my stay because I need to rest, no? Kasi magbalik ka sa Pilipinas, meron na naman akong Valentine's show. But anyways, yun lang. Kaya naman, para makaluwag-luwag na rin yan. Peklat na lang eh. Kinakausap ko nga kamusta ka? Nakangiwi? Yung pek-pek ko iniis, meron ako. Ano ko ginagamit? Kausapin yan pag di nagagamit. Pasensya ka na! Wala akong bisita. Kasi minsan, sa akin, nung tulog lang ako, naglayas, tangina, nakita ko nasa Bonnie MRT, LRT. Naliyasan ako. Okay! So, yung chika ko saan napunta? Let's go back to the Air Supply medley. Let's all reminisce. Sa lahat ng apektado ngayon, the first song to all who are newly in love or who just found love. Ganun. Basa, lagyan mo ng mga